How to find someone using phone number on Instagram. So to find someone using contact number on Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram app like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now go to this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now go to this account center. After you open your account center, now scroll to down and tap on this where it says your information and permission. After you open this your information and permission, now scroll to down and tap on this upload contacts. So all you have to do now, select your Instagram account in this section. After you select your Instagram account, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see here, it says contact syncing. So tap on this section to connect contact. Tap on this section to turn it on. After you turn it on, now tap on this back arrow, back again. So if you tap on this back arrow under your profile, as you can see now, tap on this following section. If you tap on this following section, now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, scroll to down again. So if you scroll to down, tap on this see all suggested. So as you can see now, under this, as you can see now, discover people. Now Instagram will give you all your contact in this section. As you can see now, if you go through all these people, you will see them all. Most of them are your contact. That's it guys on how to sync contact or how to find someone by using phone number on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.